What's up everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first braided solo loop for the Apple Watch. Let's check it out. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be checking out and unboxing this Black Unity braided solo loop. Pretty excited about this thing. It says on the box, Apple is proud to financially support organizations dedicated to advancing racial equity and justice. Sounds good to me, and it looks pretty cool. Box is a crazy fingerprint magnet. So really nothing crazy to see here, just kind of goes over the details of it. It says it in a few different languages. As you can see on the front we got the picture of it. And I was told this will work with the 6 and the 7. I don't have the latest Apple Watch. I hope this thing will work future forward as well. Let's check it out. Love the peel. Got some text there going over the motivation, I guess, behind the watch. Pretty cool. I do like, wow, that packaging is awesome. That's really cool. Got some instructions, looks like some regulatory information on a watch band. Only Apple could do that. Pretty funny. I don't really know the whole motivation behind the watch, but I do hope that they're donating some money to a good cause to fight racism. Sounds good to me. Just looks like a normal watch band install. Nothing crazy here. If you've never seen the solo bands before, what's cool about them is they're stretchy. The idea is you don't have to unclasp or mess with any kind of buckle. You just put it on. So let's try it out. Packaging out of the way. Get my old $3 watch band off. If you've never taken a watch band off, they're kind of a pain in the butt a little bit. There's a little button on both sides. Using an old SIM card here. And just sort of slide it off. Push the button down and slide it. There we go. You take what's cool about this band is I don't have to worry about which way it goes. It says Black Unity there. Pretty awesome. Clicks in. Clicks in again. Oh yeah, I like the way it looks. I got it a little tight because I like to wear mine firmly. I don't like it to move around or anything like that. Oh, I really like it. Looks good. Got the little speckles in there. Overall, I think they did a really nice job. It's comfortable. I've never had this type of band before. I wonder how it holds up. I'm assuming you can wash them and stuff like that. It doesn't feel too tight, nice and snug. I did get it one size smaller. They said I was a 9 or a 10, and I got it as an 8. Hopefully I don't regret that going forward soon. But thanks, old band. Time to go. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice watch band that's a little low-key, it has some subtle design hints to it, I recommend this thing. They're a little bit pricey, but as long as they're doing something good with that money, which it sounds like they are, I'm all for it. If you know a little bit more about the motivation behind the band, let me know in the comments below. I really do hope they're doing something great with this. I know Apple's a huge company and they have the ability to do amazing things with all the money they have. So if you know a little bit more about it, drop me a link below. I'm going to do some more research as well to see if I can't find out a little bit more detail. I kind of understand the base sentiment of what they're going for, but I want to know some more. This is a really quick unboxing. This is something I wanted to get for quite a while here. One thing I do notice is the dots on the box are much brighter than the ones actually on the watch band. I wish it was a little bit more prominent, but it's still pretty cool. It's definitely cool. It fits well. It's apparently breathable, and hopefully will work with the next watch that I eventually get. If you're new to the channel, I'd really appreciate that subscription. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as quick as I can. Every one of you guys count, and I really appreciate you. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And like I said, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.